back to my channel. So today we're doing a Loungefly haul, and I just wanted to say hope you enjoy this video. So the first set, it's mainly all pins, and the first set of pins that we have is the Zootopia booster pack. I just started collecting Zootopia, so you might see quite a few Zootopia pins here. I got a Zootopia jumbo pin. This one is limited edition of 800, and it says Dumb Fox, Sly Bunny, and it's Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps. And they're moving elements like Judy and Nick move. So I just started collecting Zootopia, so we will see where I fit those in on what board. I'm not sure. I got a Minnie Mouse pen to go on my Minnie Mouse board because I do collect Minnie Mouse. Like, I have a Minnie Mouse collection that's kind of big, and then I collect a few Mickey Mouse that I put on that board, but not very many. This is a lenticular pen, so if you move her eyes open and shut. I can't get it to, it's not working, but this is what it looks like. It's super cute. There was a matching Loungefly Pat Pack, but I didn't like the Pat Pack enough to spend the $75, $80 on it. You know, I decided against that. So, but I did order Coco Mystery Pen. I ordered 10 boxes, and there's 6 pens, and I got these on sale. I don't have they don't send out a statement with it, so I don't know how much I paid for them, but this is what you can get. I collect Coco, so these are great for me. So let's see what we can get. There is a chaser. It's the music note. I would like Dante, Miguel, Mami Imelda. Let's see. Oh, look, we got Miguel. We got Miguel. Alright. Let's see. So whatever we get will be like traders and things like that. So, and like I said, I'm in Disney Pen Trading Group, so you can look me up there, or you can email me. We got Miguel again. You can email me if you would like to trade, or Instagram message me. Let's see. These are kind of big. Oh, we got Dante. No, this is not Dante. This is his grandfather. His name escapes me. But because I think Dante, no, I don't know. It's been a while since I've watched Coco. We got the bad guy. Hector de la Cruz. Let's see. We got his grandpa again. Alright, let's see here. Let me see. We got Mommy Imelda. I need the Sugar Skull and the Chase. We got the grandpa again. Let's see here. We got Miguel. Alright, let's see. We got 2 boxes left. Let's see who we get this time. We got Mommy Imelda. Alright, we have 1 box left. Let's see who we get this time. Alright, let's see here. Be something I don't have. Be something I don't have. And it's Miguel. So, I need the Sugar Skull and the Chase. So, this is what I have. I have 2 Mommy Imeldas. Four Miguels. Three grandpas. And 1 Hector de la Cruz. So, if you want to trade, if you have the Sugar Skull or the Chase, let me know in the comments down below, Instagram or pen groups, something like that. I will go ahead and put these up for trade. If you like my ears, they're from Three Little Tinkers. So I will link them down below. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, put it in the comment section down below. And this is my Loungefly haul. Thank you. Have a good day.